ELC Broward recently hosted its new Educator Bootcamp, an engaging one-week training experience designed to support early childhood educators who are new to the profession. Through hands-on workshops and valuable learning opportunities, provider participants gain skills and resources to help strengthen their careers and enhance the quality of early education in Broward County.
This was beyond my expectations. It was something I have never imagined I would be learning because everything was very hands-on. They were teaching us how to teach kids.
In a week, I learned everything. I learned a lot, and I can't wait that I go back to my class and looking at my little people and give them all that I learned.
I learned a successful teacher can make a successful child, which means a great and successful future.
It was super helpful. I found it very valuable to get information from people who have been in this industry for a very long time. They've had a lot of experience to be able to tell me how best to go about different challenges that I may face in my classroom, reframe my perspective about the impact that I'm having in my class, and it just gives me a whole different mind frame going back into my classroom.
We couldn't have learned this from the books. It was something like, throughout the presentation, through the coaches' experiences and how they have dealt with the behavior, the child who have behavior issues and stuff. And that makes me really motivated to implement that in the school, in the class.